Yene Counselor Lutterot eba betwa so non do ne aso so. Eno no na ye enkomo aye ba be die fa ye nkita hodie. The role of communication and financial transparency in marriage. Ye enkomo die ewa aware mu. Ene kwan e bekwa so a ye bedi ye ho nkomo fa ye sikasem ho. Set your set goals me bo attainable goals. Ye set goals ni wi anema bi ni akade bi se ya wade anema bi ka ho bi na bema goals no atumi aba so. Ya set ye wi ne ye no mani nkomo ye ne ye kunu no mani ho nkomo ana. Ye nkomo die ne nkomo twetwe e wo fie te say. Do we actually speak to our wives and husbands here to anamo bi ana? Me kromfo ande ya omo so oba nim nyansa sa anti wo asem bia ne be ma nsusu ho. Nanso akwa ba ebeba fie ho efie no oba na sabe ebi susu se ye nim nyansa no ne ho ne beba enti nei wona na adwen komo because e bia goals na wo set ni enti ebeba ne chop money so ate why wadwen so obesi dan na wo nka nkyere no na de bia wo tete chop money so no be ku ofie so wonim sa wo de ya de papa bi sei why wadwen so be ko school na wo ko school de bia wo mafie ntem so wo nka nkyere no so wonim adane ntokwa what set goal ama ho sa fi e bia wo pese o sie sika ntine ma anka wo ye ma no wate so na adane ntokwa because wo ni ho nkomo ena oba de hu ni ma mo wa hwa wato waduro wa ma poise wa bom pinto ade ama wa ku ntem ye ne sa emoa ye sikasem ye ne ma ni ho nkomo ana ye sikasem ye ne ye kunu no ni nkomo ana oba bi wo ha wasi dan ni kunu nim da wo sika bi she baby ni kunu nim da. Counselor Lutterot ababa kan sa counselor majana be
ye no abakọ de
anya me adom afisi apa
afisi na sana otie no tesa
oh mpese improvement ba mu
o ba say improvement na be baba de me kire se usuban ne ye better
ajo
enti usuban ne ye keep sa usuban kakra ma
mo me da se pa ene de ye nya me adom bi abakọ na ja share now nim say ye di nkomo na most of the time about relationship ya brabo ya ye bo see ye ho kafo either in relationship planning to marry and I say ye be warranty afi adwuma no say ya na ye be na ne be bo no saa na etumi abo amane me kama Ghana for na ati no one disappoint e okroma kam no mi no da wadwo me da so say ye to nsa frɛ wa ba be kan nsa ye nkita hodie ya ware mu say kosan
the ambushment.
Man. Yay. Huh?
Just want to ambush
the
young, handsome man.
Of course, you are handsome.
Just want to.
And young too as well. Kwafona say ya one more ya. I shock on.
This chairs, it's not just here. Almost all the chairs.
And
a wall so it goes straight into the vein as if they are peeling you.
Kafra.
Are you sure?
So you okay? So I know what to do. So
no, they be okay. We like armrest.
Aye. So it's enough for free and commerce. Sana say nkita hodie esitie ewo yaware yemu. Sana ese ko.
Ya me bo fa chemi na. Sana say ya bra bo sitie. Me bana ni obi di nkomo. Afra ben ma tini pani di anam kan.
Reverend Daniel Anan.
Okay. Now mo so ni obi di nkomo.
Ne ne ye adwuma part say dem no ye adwuma wa adom na.
Okay. Fortunately for us, in nkomo odi ye no. A very solid one. Ekoye. Just said your kind ne fire ding. So betimi ahihye goals ama ho no wadi so. Aye.
Say say.
Send Canadian.
Now the BBC when so now person ya ne dey ne say.
Minim nyama dey see when so why ya. What's my
And also the work be there.
So usually no. Oshani dini esha ye nyina ye seti some serious goals and some serious achievements for ourselves. And we regularly want to make sure that we achieve those goals. And it's not a bad thing to have a goal. The plan to achieve the goal has always been the problem. Because
you to be planning and I say you can't go now you set unrealistic goals my home. I ain't to be so.
I have come to believe that you should always set unrealistic goals for yourself.
But maybe why it's not possible. You yourself, you know yourself, say go away and fat. And you're unrealistic and yet
good. So when you set goals that are unrealistic for you, you appreciate when you achieve them.
My mentor say
if you set goals that they are unrealistic for you and you achieve them, you end up appreciating the effort in the achievement. But when you set realistic goals, which has a format which is plug and play, born and co, say na shishanity, say ni ayano, ye bossy say, ye jina say, ye ko say, ye ba say. Oh yeah, and no pa, ye go see ni say, e bem mawa, and koye or how be a mouth, minimum minimum super what you da misumsa. What's that? You people say be careful, me boy.
Yeah, sure. Me,
I'm careless.
Now, someone to me in the area saying you're careless.
No, I'm very careless.
You cannot live a life like that. So you're careless, I say.
If you are careless, you achieve more. If you are careful, you achieve less. Because life is for those who can risk. So if you are careful, you don't achieve anything. For you,
so soon, na me de hanam na me nemu a me pese me ni obi e benya asem na o nemu a.
It's all your conscious effort so di obi benya asem. Nyasem.
Na asem ni nya na fam sa o.
Aha, say ebi di owo nam, ebi di nkwanam. Obi nya asem na wagina asem so ne de atene nka. Obi nya asem na wie yaba. Eti nya asem. But the mention say except we it's good.
But how would you set that unrealistic target? How?
I don't know how that becomes unrealistic.
Say o ton ade wo dwomo say I me kwa je store makola.
Me da so.
Makola store so. Ye kan sika kura ye it say be ye po a wo be hu store ni bi popo ye problem. Na wa ko pe hu sika de aye.
So you have to be very, very intentional. Achievers are people who are intentional. If you are not intentional, you don't achieve. And the last statement I'll make here or say, teach me how to fish. Or no per pond.
Or no per pond name.
Teach me how to own a pond. It makes a lot of sense. But if I maybe say, yes, teach you how to own a pond. It's a brilliant idea. But if I have opportunity, say, may fishing a mobi. It will be ya. Obi ya dia si we ne ya nya din.
Na se kasa de se no anu suma be kasa.
Na unya ho kwan. Na uye bia na bonsa. There are logistical inconveniences. O akwadufo adwuma ya asofodie. Try na here. Would they try? The most cheapest work on earth is to be a pastor. Try. So
I say I'm to me a prophet in Kwandia obedidi.
Would they a prophet?
Would they who be a one sem can?
Would they beba be who near sem no?
Say beba.
So be who. Na wako can demon biama adiachim or chilo nyan sanka be who say.
So for the enough.
It's not for the faint-hearted. So maybe they say, I have learned in the few years on earth that if you want to achieve, be careless. And as we have the conversation throughout the year, I will keep explaining them one after the other. What it means to be careless.
Sometimes carelessness, and man for Crofon shut down feel you say or predator.
And crying for baby you see abundant to me say what is so be can be done.
There be men crying demente.
What think crying? I won't think crying.
Me think crying, me take crying, me think crying.
And in Guasia.
Me think a few.
And in Guasia.
Pa.
And the cast abundant to ya. Yen tie ye num. Ubzo say tete e ke abundant to it. Et is saying yen tie ye num. Literally meaning country broke with day. You know broke with day inside. I am not paying attention to details. That lifestyle, people would think is being careful. No. If you want to really live a life to achieve, be careless. And in your carelessness, bow down to it. No kakpite.
In your carelessness, no?
In your carelessness, your carefulness will let you be. You see, you are careless. And because you are careless, you know you will die. And people who are careless pay more attention to detail than those of us who think that we are careful.
How is that? Oh, you're careless. The details in the family.
So be careless. So we won't find him. Sana ujing. Obi are careless and they be a BCB in front of me. Good. But anytime you careless, it means that you know you don't have much, so you protect the few you have. Those who are careful don't open up.
Yeah, that's only said be a bit me to work him.
That's it. It was deliberately bow down to a no kakpete. I give you an example that will not be palatable or pleasant. But utiemia febufuti. It's as a we are smart yet no.
On some febufuti.
Yes.
Go there before tia.
Over time. Na later no. Why connected? Ebufu na odi anyway. E we are see yet se me share documentary enra. Wo shy Doku Hills no so. Na tour guide na o ma lecture no. E ma yet ya say won say ye twema emwa no. Adbi say from
Aye, monkey.
Omo ba kwan. Enre no ba kwan no. No see by history no. Before you be lorry kwan na form ntem no. Na eyomo tenabia.
E ho na omo te.
And you be twa kwan ni fam. And they have carved that environment as their territory.
A kwan so, lorry kwan so.
Not quite ni ho, but it is their territory. And they carved it. And so not to walk as in the fee. But I see. And to say, well, conquering chroma, or be tillery quine, and now I could nima, mam will be conanum. Or be tick quine. On the bench, you see your boss pa. We are PLC. Fitawaje, Nini. Because
that's what the crime.
Or tillery asphalt, no so. Now, Jenny said. Or in the sitting room where Jimmy, this is not being careful. It is you losing the originality of the being say it's your territory. But there's a change. Now you fear him, but you have pavement. You are no walking path.
You fear him.
Now, all tour guide they cannot say a son a dream went to car at a bow pa. Oh Lord. So we are losing the monkeys.
Yes.
Because they have a sense of entitlement in the way say, I am in my territory. And by virtue of Abrabona Yebon, this is their territory. But there's a change.
Sakrayaba. Yeah, the ambato.
Kwabe dao na kwano enya die bia ye friendly to mu. Enti ese nya sambe mu se mu ba ho say they feel that sense of entitlement. Enti they be aka bo. Na ye ni abo ambulance e wo kromu a. Ese nipa ambulance ni kra no.
Enso yeso.
Enye se enso yen. Oboto diesel answer. What I say? So, and the next thing I was watching the Okan, you see. Na ye ni nipa omo ni nipa ne tie ni ntino omo ye omo so omo ye nipa nti omo di bibia eti omo tumi wura side doku nkrofo kitchen
wo akofo aduane adi
na omo di waduane Yes. Maybe I know, I share documentary, no, but you see, there's a way because of my carelessness. I pay attention to detail.
Yes.
Because I want to achieve. Achievers are people who pay intentional. They give intentional attention to details because they are careless. Etiabane says, "Oh, kitchen on baho, bibi on bedi." And unfortunately for Mono, omo back crying one and crofo a chemo. Near more anka, near more kwedu. Even though their territory has been broken higher street, you know, omo got na kwan one and crofo ma we dinti, they have become lazy. Because a some wuremu, omo ko quiet no mo go didi. But I'm a lorry quine home. Ebe take foolish risk in the name of territory. And I yen swa yen ti abako semaseno. Ye huwa ye chewa ank. I was watching it yesterday.
Yeah, bomu mama ya kwajo.
Me da say. O kan sembi say. Mama ka say the 24-hour shall share with us in his speech. It's the same thing I repeated. Ye year independence inauguration. Obi owo nyansan bia nyansika obi anya capital because encrofo ton su encrofo ton kiba encrofo ton pike. So that day less than 1 day within 8 hours when your capital
but obi ti fi TV so pa adwuma e o hwe TV papa Natalia yefu mami asa ne de na tia
ye pon adwuma no adwuma ba ko ne ba mi team but na me share clerical na me am prepare for it. More rubber, more pure water bottle. Me see weigh your business. I'm just going to give out. Obianko bu anumbre mama who bags 50-50 Ghana. Obianko because you like no GDR recycling. And I shall ball a year wo ho. And kwalane nam ho. Just collect them. So the opportunities in life is not cast in stone.
Debbie.
Eti me share one life no mo wo musana. And I'm say okay, this is why. Yeah, what the sika any kwadu tu monkey anima then obefa
kwadu no
adentia
so onima de this can here
that's but in life naga kwadu no wonyansa na nani bianka obefa scan go scan bet not to kwadu yamu bebre aye hu to say we are monkeys with no common sense. Hey. So our interest ratings are with the money. However, no, yedi bibi from a tone champa. We go for the immediate gratification and we forget about what can give us long term for us to achieve. Look,
yes,
yes. Entisikanie, kwaduniye. Yeah, fuck kwadu. Yeah. Obebi a ukope jume bia wa hu ofe na otu edo osunti obi apewedi. Fa utiko me fa hona monko.
Man fa body ni immediate. And man no nya kwadu.
No. And everywhere you go, you want to look for a job because of the way you would. They want to sleep with you and that. Okay, don't sit down. I won't go again. No, go. But this time, don't go with your body. Go with your face. When you win the job, produce your body.
But how would you do that?
It's easy.
When him nobody na
it's easy. Say me pay juma. Na me de me body kwa. Me de me body ko de bia. Unfortunately for me, ne pay me di minti okay. Me fa body ni kwa ni. Enti me ko pay juma bia bio. But me nyonko ne ya wo ni body.
Dabi oh ade.
Wo ye tia
papa. Obi em se tia etu mi ni bi.
Ya fa ma.
Na mo nya fe.
Wanim ni mpo de. One building enti sisia no. Ayefe. First na nya sisia ayeyi enti. De mbesem chenze. So my yandi wanim Maya enko starting next year ma. Time I ever say you invite body no. Na deal no. Look, if you don't build yourself under the life of being careless, you will not achieve anything. I'm not saying be careful. When tie me out here. Tie me ka de bi assess awade obi say a question bi answer na metra say.
Yeah.
Sa awade e yet say car any break anka obi anya divorce. Minister what drive car bi a break ni instant enchida. Am drive bi da?
Men kwato mo kwam. But na asa na mnim pose break na feel.
Yo. If you are driving a car, na car ni braking here, Juma. You maintain a certain distance anytime there's a traffic because you know your car has no brake. If life becomes a brakeless life for you, you are more careless not to crash. Not careful. We are not achieving anything. That is why you setting goals. You achieving because we think the act is to set a goal. No. For you to set a goal, the first thing is to do a retrospect. Check what didn't I do well.
They went to me and ye.
Mommy.
Now check it. They nanka person ya went to me and ye.
Mommy, Bible say men go Ukraine biao. Bible ni chere kron for e. Say Ukraine asi e boa na Ukraine a wedding system. Obi ani kunu wu a wedding system ya boa no. E obi a ye widows night a wedding 38 oba boa na e no me ma. Check the scriptures. Yembo Ukraine bia.
Ni kunu wu.
Ese wale. Ukunu wu na after 1 year wale ya say onye bayifo ana say una ukunu no.
Oh how? Say be my.
E ba ni say na emi bae. Uti awade ho.
Ebi mai.
Them uti awade ho.
Na so oba onyo oba ne kope be ma.
If you are uti awade bia ho ene na wo hwe me. Now you are still not marketable. You are a useless woman in the marriage.
Say wo aware anim no.
Nobody crashes on you. I say wa wale.
There be so worry so you modest.
One kan modest ni dey. Who atan say modest. Say wa boti en fatao. Say we pia babontin nobody's obian feel it to associate.
So on worry and no share jeans but worry on person crofo be hwe some way bi ntinu wa share ka.
Etin na ukunu ewu na more than 5 years. So I want to concentrate on this child. Hey, stop fooling. I hear people say widow is right. Do you know what the widow is right? There's no spirit behind it. There's no tradition. Abakoseme de okunayo ba ye ne say. Mawale ya menene ne dam paso maka nchiregu. Ye say ye dam paso nti bia ne ho adane. Eti ye man ho kwan mabosume nkunu akwantuo no ye hwe sa ye mbia abofre bia ye nde hye beba na. This is what this widow would write.
So man kwan said afe.
So after enya afe 9 months ye nka se sunkunu ye de wo hwa se na bia obi foforo emfa ne ho kan no ambre ya igbeni bi ba ya nto no for ese to no ye to no kwate ni akoto no forgive ese igbeni bia ene wada. So it is just a practice of staying so that in case you are pregnant eti na be man nya widow.
Bema no one say tuntuma afe
because obema nam kurom de ebusuani ntumi hu say ye bia onyemana
won kwanyem
eti no bi yiri wuye no abrante ebu okurom ne yiri wuye tama ye dewi tama ne yiri no edi 1 year no na ne banso edi
9 months
we mo na nkrofa odi chichi kuro a your economy will go ahead because
you won't to be so that your economy grow ahead you won't to be now afe. Are you okay? No. You are okay. Your wife is dead, and you are going to sit down and cry. No. You are crying over. There may be a wood. So we can't chinigu no wupe. So to me, alternative warranty. And then for papa. Now when I see one thing, I me to self you. Ukunewu. China ukunu na trans. You don't help widows by heart. Yeah, widows conference. Now, Crawford, Bakubia invite me come and speech. Me share almost age bracket. 38. Now say another buy. What want you there? Na me kunu to kind on ya kwen share wo ya. Na owo ya na say na kunu how many years? So 10 years. Na time ani kunu we no 28. What trust ya sre beggar gossips. Bible say obi ani kunu hu no anwale a obenani busy body and gossips. Go and check. Where you consent.
Consent ne to mudi konsa.
The enfan
of no sre. Te ukunu wu ya have it na tia wade no ho. Have an alternative. Look beautiful.
Obi a tia wade who have alternative.
Sister.
Yes, obi so pan from so ni ho.
And now pie na obi ansan o pay the whole year. E say okona ko bo afore yesre Nyankopon say ye mask ni fi wanim.
Obi a waware no. Oba waware yan so pay the whole year.
Now okunu Jimmy for. Now okunu Jimmy for tio. And I don't want you to go out again because this thing that's happening to you and you close at 7 o'clock and the show ended and you didn't come on time. Baby awale be maybe say bian o wadwemu yale o create toxic amount. Oba waware be ma o dwene wo ho. Ayi gwa nya dwene we when you dream was it
Brefie na ba pa us media sa obedu no num na okasa wo se
be me bia kwa adwuma ye pon 5 odu fie 5:30 bia no wadwemu ya they have a mental deficiency.
Na na apon out adwuma wo de
open adwuma wo kofie
na wo kofie wo kwa.
Are you going to breastfeed or going to do babysitting or what?
Wo be how yire nim
wo be hwe wan
wo yire nim
bisa hu say no yire transit 10 minutes ade na moka. When you're on your phones and you are watching TV, on your TV, so na mo hwe Mark Brown, Odi Asa, onim say ye ba wo ye kakra with TV so. Na mo hwe. The fact that we're watching TV together doesn't mean you're having anything together. Can you
family time?
There's nothing called family time. We should stop those useless statements. And if you spend time with the children will know you. I don't need to spend time with my children for them to know me. They carry my DNA. What do you mean by that? Come and sing for them to sleep. Are you okay? Me na kwemi ti studio.
Asa wo honto nyuma obada.
Oh, enyumbe. Ya enyumbe.
Kofi do
da. Olupe bo wo.
Na me nda bi.
Bo wo.
Kofi do.
Oh. Then you no go sleep. Me, I give you bed. I give you shelter. I've given you food to eat. I've provided everything. I should also stop what I'm doing to come and put you to sleep.
I will do lights. What kind bedroom story?
What story?
Bedroom story.
Bedroom story. There's a story like that.
Hey, and wo krasin.
There's a story called bedroom story.
Hey, your book do kai man kwada. Ye ton bookshop.
No monya den.
Wo mo na.
Na wani nkuma o ko ye den. So you see, we are raising and brooding a lot of useless material in town. Instead of parenting, we are doing zookeeping and poultry farming. All these things are part of the fiber of the lazy people we have produced, like the monkeys on the Shah Hills Road. Instead of them to enter to go and fain, we give them sugar cane. And now do you know what they do? Traffic itching. Now they bunching. But there and there to kwaya. No man who see track no so. Tama ka ni beka se pa ho no. No man wi nyamani nyina aha jake ade no.
Wada no kronfo aka ho.
That's so my kronfo because they have a negative sense of entitlement. For you to achieve your goals, they kind. Check and see what didn't I do right and why didn't I do it right. Yati obia waja wali a on wali biombia and I'm there me the benji bemendi jajimi no me wan no wale. Our dear enya our dear enya the power assassin. Marriage is a scam. It's true. One of the
marriage for 19
enya for 19 scam. Any man who is married, yes,
scam.
Yes, I don't have a focus. An unmarried man is focused. A married man is defocused. Yes.
Say.
No. A man who is not married. A branch be on wale or your focus.
Because
you have nobody asking you at the saying and say no, you are focused. And be on wale on your focus. Biano. Hey, demon. Oh, young piebo. And then bushyan and then nakoji adi so mad so because you are supposed to be focused. Because you are defocused. Your concentration is not just you. What was here? And it's good to be married and be defocused. But in your being defocused, you are supposed to achieve because you achieve more. Menyan fatun kesi bi ma. En to asum. Ba fa bu fotie. Obeme bia wale oba. Me das. Obeme bia wale oba. Yesiesie. Ye fie. Ba abrabo na ye bono. Hey. If you really want to achieve
surprise. In fact, he almost became a flag bearer. One of our own. Yeah, down on that woman set and can cry for no yemanet defocus. And I saw for Beduko be friend no ye focus.
I know focus here.
And to focus in a home fast one beba.
Me that say.
Adam
so focus.
A home fast one a yes ba.
But he can lose all the focus he did. If he doesn't think straight. Now, so when you have a sense of entitlement, you can misbehave. And you
achieve what you say if he feels like John Mahama so to me ye be I'll bet me misbehaving.
Now John Mama did he stand on the
so intending on my 8
did he stand on the
ticket?
No, did he stand on the ticket of
and I'm was standing on the ticket of a Kuyadonko, but he was very firm them not to change the 8 to 7.
No, but why was he changing the 8 for?
For saying
No.
that could have changed a lot of things.
No, change what? What is he going to change?
Changing the resetting.
No. He did nothing. Hey, wanya he.
What yeah, baby pa?
No, wanya he.
Why
he
he
didn't do anything. The people shouldn't praise him for him to feel like he's an important element. He went to file and he was disqualified. That's a shame. He should learn
from the filing and
he should learn why he was disqualified. Don't let him feel like he was. There's nothing, Roman father. He failed us. How do you go and file like Bernard Mona? You go and file and are you okay? Ekwadonko you say cannot speak English was able to file without failing. Then you educated journalist, you go and file and fail, and you are saying he's our savior is what? Munjaja mukikano.
Abusia no ndo aba pa won mami. Mame first.
Misrem na ndo ndo aba pa.
Papa no mani to dwana.
Meti ha no bae.
Yempon na me kra me sore.
Wala kofa bae.
Entro ho.
Jamaican is common ye.
Baby out so ye pa o na de o kire.
O say
we me sore.
Nipa da se ni ne aso na frefra so tro. Enti
waso so de frefra so tro de
obi bo asum na betuma bo ni bi abon ontumi bo na ko prepare ho uhia na
wasa bon bi
ana owo ba uhia ne ba
no abonat
asum na de hia ne say seek for help.
That's violence.
Violence is what brought man to live on earth because it was taken by force. 0277
0277
I am fully responsible for all my
everything
comments
you say
since day one.
Enti ne Roman father to me nyabehwe wona aka enti wo so tro bi on fa mo wa
0277
utumi nyane mehwe
na you say so your literature where it be irony you can say ironically
yes
ni o kan na no what you say
Matias me say me Matias
do kan na
do so che Jamaican nyansa wo
kwasese mgwa
the opposite of the okano
because I come me see benya time adio
man say
work of file
the Ghana phone name ne say
journalist now when we need to say better than Mona
see this am come on
say me ba expose COUNSELLOR LUTTERODT and it 2025
yes
expose also expose me
on me
deputy
or your manager so go
the course na
ono na ye na went to be am file me
enti deputy so see me any manager
what about the
so see me any manager ni akọ file
na ma failure.
Ghanaians must laugh at us, mock us, and we should really go and learn again because it means say Ekwadonko wo nyansa chen ya yako school 0277 609 644 I am fully responsible for my statement.
0277
609 644 seek for help so you can be able
right
to set goals achievable goals and know that life is fair. Finally, never make a major decision in a temporal situation.
Don't make a major decision in a temporal. It is deep.
Yes.
In
Don't make a major decision in a temporal situation.
In this case, we able to make the Roman father the cry example.
Don't make.
It was a temporal moment.
Thank you. So don't make a major decision.
Yes.
In a temporal situation.
Yes.
Because no condition
is permanent.
It's permanent. I hear they say the fingers are not equal.
Yes.
But when you bend them,
they are equal.
Bend. And you have an achievement.
Medase.
Miss Medase, yeah, we ginger honey chips.
Yes.
Baby, I could be a
big crowd.
It's answer one we are we no be bomb. We no bomb so attract.
Where's Krana
Wa kasa baby I will be. Your mama, His Excellency.
Baby
Nana do dan kwa kufado wa kwatena fie unni hweye
obawiala
na we Rebecca fe bi gu ni suom no fa ndwodwo no ho na ne be ma ndwo medase
ebusiam ewrad Roman father eba di djuma obedi nkomo anamwa oze
me only counselor na
utwam
only counselor
obesra manager manager no di wo ani mamko e registration mo fail
it is on your bibia
manager phone pa na obesra fan manager bi
Onua ne ko
don't make a major decision
during the temporal situation. Nana Yaa Brefo dance so ni me di
Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah,